This video is going to be a tutorial on smoky eyes. The first step is to prime your eyes using a primer or a concealer. Use a shade similar to your skin to set the base. Then go on with a coral shade like this one. Use this shade for the crease. These looks take time, you need to build it up slowly. Now take a black eyeliner and apply it near the lash line as the base for the darker part of the smoky eye. Take a black eyeshadow and apply it over the eyeliner to set the base. Keep on smudging it slowly and carefully. After you are done with it, take a dark brown color as a transition shade between the eyelid and crease. Now take the black eyeliner again and apply it on the lash line, the waterline and the tight line. This is gonna add intensity to the eye. Now take the black eyeshadow and apply it over the eyelid. It is always messy when you are creating a smoky eye look. Clean up the eyes like this. Now take a peach color to soften the edges. Make sure everything is nicely blended. Take a soft brown shade and apply it on the outer edge and under the eyes. After that, use a dark brown shade in the lower lash line as a transition shade between the eyeliner and the soft brown shade. Time to apply the mascara. And last but not the least, the lashes. There you go.